Hello, this is Jason, and I am on my way to McDonald's. Stop and grab a bite. Heading down Malioboro Street. There's always something going on the street. It's pretty hot out. So it's about 90 degrees. Head down the side streets. Cool looking buildings. Huge difference in how hot it feels when you're just sitting, baking in the sun versus getting the cool breeze on you. I've not been going to a gym because it's kind of far away. Not very convenient. You can see why getting around on a motorcycle is so much faster than a car. Cut traffic. Even cut all the other motorcycles here. There's the Golden Arches. Let's go see how much Big Mac meal costs. Terima kasih.
Oke, terima kasih ya.
All right. So tune in to the video on my main channel, see how much a big bag costs in Jogja. Continuing the journey. Come from all angles. Novotel. A little farther. Right there.
Okay.
Yep, right here.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, sorry.
Yep. Oh. You help me?
Thank you. Okay.
Terima kasih.
Iya, sama-sama.
Thank you. All right, made the cold and brew. Whew, helmet gets my head sweaty. 90-degree weather makes my head sweaty. But this is one of my hangout spots, cold and brew. So I already made a video about this. And then my other hangout spot is on the roof of the Novotel over there at the pool bar. So kind of getting my own little spots to hang out and I'm gonna go get a coffee, maybe a little cake or something. But just wanted to show you a little bit about a little ride across Jakarta again. I like riding on the back of the motorcycles. You know, that was only a little over a mile. I could have walked it, but it's so affordable to get on the back of a motorcycle and get someplace a lot quicker. I think that ride only costs 50 cents. So pretty affordable, just like everything else here in Jogja. All right, well, that's all I got for now. Talk to you later. Take it easy.